Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing. Looks like they put the jewelry on top this time. It's normally bundled in with the clothing. I'm going to dump all this out. And of course there's also a packing slip inside. So you know how much everything costs, and if you don't want anything, you just put it back in the bag and then you are not charged. So I'm going to show you real quick what they look like, and then I will insert pictures at the end so you can kind of see a full shot of it. These are cute, little khaki, stretchy little jeggings, I guess you'd call them. Those are nice. I've gotten some before, but they were like colors that typically I wouldn't wear, like green or like an orangish color. But that one's just a nice khaki, and I'm happy for that. Those will probably fit. Next up, oh cool. Huh. It's kind of like a hoodie, but it's real light, like see-through. It's almost like a bathing suit cover-up, but it's not. Again, khaki cream color. Pockets in the front with some stripes. That's pretty cool. Looks real flowy and light. Very nice. And here is a blouse. Has like an interesting scrunchy little neck. Long sleeves, floral print, ties in front. And then there's two more bundles, and I got a lot of people asking me why I get so many bundles. I don't know. So I do get these sent for review, and I think I used to only get like 2 bundles, but now I get a little bit more clothing. So I'm not sure if it has to do with my profile or what. These are kind of fun. These are black pants. That tie, real stretchy. It has all these lines running through them. Can you see those? Yeah, you can kind of see it if I lay it like that. Those look super comfy. This is really soft. And that's either like a dress or just a really long top that you could wear with leggings. Has a little bit of a neck, cut out sleeves. Real long, kind of flowy. What's nice about this company is if you don't like your stomach or you want to hide your arms, you can tell them stuff like that, and they try to customize the pieces to hide certain parts of your body that you're not fond of, so that's always good. I'm pretty sure I got this shirt before, actually. Maybe it was a different color. So I really love the color of this top. It's like an orangish brown, black and white stripes. So we have some lines going this way, lines going that way, and then it ties in the front. It's a really cute shirt. And this kind of feels like a sweater. Let's see. Yes! So I got a couple sweaters last fall, and I love them. This super soft green, little bit of like a black in there. And it's not too long sleeves. Like it goes down, it's real baggy and flowy. I love that. And now let's take a look at the jewelry, and then I'll insert the pictures. So a lot of times when they put them in these bags, it's perfectly fine, but lately they've been getting tangled a lot. Okay, I tried and I can't untangle it. So I'm gonna have my husband do it and I'll insert a picture of it. But it's just like a bar with all these little shiny diamond-like stones on it. And it's probably like a medium length, hard to tell because it's a little tangled, but we'll get it untangled. I don't have much patience for that, especially when I'm on camera. I feel like too rushed. So here's the earrings. Looks like everything's silver this month. Sometimes you get a variety. And then the bracelet. I am having a time today. There we go. Huh. Oh, okay, so there's 3 like little bangles, I guess you call them. I'm really bad at like what stuff is supposed to be called. I'm confused. What is this? Okay, again, difficult for me, but I got that one untangled. It has a moon. It's adjustable, so I guess you just like stack them all, or you can wear them individually. Does that clip in there, or is it not supposed to do that? I know nothing. It's probably supposed to do that. maybe. I don't know. You could probably wear it either way. And then this one just looks like that. So I will go ahead and roll the pictures and the outro music. But if you guys are interested, I have a code below for free shipping. And I do have a playlist in case you want to see other stuff I've got in the past. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.